If you want to free up storage space on Google Pixel 11, the first thing that you can do is you can go to the Files app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. This is, of course, the file manager that we have on our phone, which allows us to access pretty much every file that is saved on our phone. But what you want to do here is you want to tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and then you might be able to use this clean option over here. So if you go here, you might find some suggestions. Your phone might suggest you what you can do in order to get some storage back. Like, for example, you might see that you have some downloaded files that you probably don't need anymore, so you can go over here to tap on select files, and then you can choose if there's anything that you want to remove that you no longer need. You can also find some more suggestions over here over time. In my case, it looks now just like that. Besides that, we should be able to tap here on this information about our storage to jump to storage settings. You can also open storage settings by just going to settings on your phone. That shouldn't be a problem as well. But in here, what you can do is you can check how much data is taken by specific category of data. So, of course, most of the time, most space is going to be taken by apps. So what you can do is you can, for example, go to the apps storage over here, and you will see that the list is now sorted by the amount of space that these apps take. Of course, you can decide now if you still need to use those apps, if you still need to have them on your phone. If not, then you can select the app, and of course you can, let's say, clear cache or clear storage, or you can go to the apps option in settings and uninstall the app completely. So in here, if you go to app storage, you can just find the option to clear cache and clear the storage, which completely removes all the data that you have, all the personal data that you have created with the app. And if you want to remove the whole app, then of course you can do this, for example, from the app drawer or from the home screen. You just have to press and hold your finger on the app, and then you can drag it here to the upper side where we have the uninstall option. So generally speaking, you want to get rid of apps that you no longer need, especially those that take lots of space. But you can also do the same thing. You might want to do that with all these different files that you have on your phone. So probably the second biggest thing, the biggest data that takes the most space is images and videos. So of course you can go through all of these different images and pictures and photos that you have on your phone, and then you can decide if there's anything that you no longer need. So you can get rid of some old files. You can of course do the same thing by going to audio, to videos and documents and all that other stuff. And another thing that you need to keep in mind is that if you delete something from your phone, especially if you use the Files app, then all of these deleted files are sent to trash. You don't remove them permanently yet. They are sent to trash first. And here you can, of course, open the trash if you want to. You can also open it from the Files app or in the Files app. And they still take space. And they are sent to trash to give you 30 days to decide if you actually want to remove those files or not. So within those 30 days, you have the option to recover those deleted files. Of course, if you don't do anything with them, then after 30 days, they will be permanently removed. And you also have the option to remove them straight away by yourself manually if you just go to the trash or bin, of course, and manually remove them from here, which also shouldn't be a problem. And that is pretty much it. So essentially, to summarize it quickly, get rid of apps that you no longer use, get rid of old files that you probably don't need anymore. This includes, for example, images and videos, and try to get rid of some storage or cache data. Most likely you just want to clear cache, and sometimes the cache can take actually a lot of space. Mostly, for example, browsers or social media apps, they can take lots of cache. They might have lots of cache on your phone, and you can just remove it clearly and quickly with this single button. And collectively, you should be able to get some space back. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.